Craving a green oasis but short on space? If you find yourself longing for lush greenery but are constrained by a compact living situation, fear not. A world of verdant abundance awaits you, and it goes by the title of vertical gardens. The concept of vertical gardens isn't new, but it is fast gaining popularity among gardening enthusiasts and nature lovers who are short on sprawling green spaces, but high on the aspiration to bring a touch of Mother Nature into their homes. Envision this for a moment, a tiny, neglected corner of your abode being transformed into a flourishing, thriving paradise. It's not just a flight of fancy, but a feasible and tangible reality that you can create with some innovative do-it-yourself strategies and a bit of imagination. A vertical garden is not just about growing plants in a restricted area, but it's also about creating a symbiotic environment where plants thrive and people benefit from their presence. Let us embark on a magical journey of green transformation, starting with a simple yet effective idea, the pallet garden. A wooden pallet which has served its original purpose and is now relegated to a forgotten corner, is resurrected like a phoenix, turning into a sanctuary of green. This is not just a clever utilization of space, but a beautiful manifestation of the concept of recycling. Installing a few pots, populating them with your selection, and voila, you have a wall that doesn't just divide space but brings life into it. But there's more to vertical gardening than just pallet gardens. Enter the shoe organizer garden, a novel idea that brings together utility and aesthetics in a unique way. Hanging shoe racks, often seen as a means to organize footwear, break the barriers of conventional usage to become excellent mediums for growing a range of herbs and small plants. Just fill the pockets with soil and plant your preferred herbs. It's painless, simple, and yet hugely gratifying. Have you ever thought of a ladder as something more than a tool to reach higher places? Here's your chance to reimagine ladder as a garden. The ladder garden is a creative idea that can be set up in a jiffy but brings years of joy. Simply prop your ladder against a wall, place pots with your favorite greens on each rung, and you've got yourself a layered plant exhibition. Last but not least on this exciting list of vertical gardening ideas is the hanging bottle garden. The humble, often discarded plastic bottle finds a new lease of life here. Repurpose your plastic bottles, fill them with soil and line them up. A wonderful upcycle waste, this garden is eco-conscious and visually appealing. With each hanging bottle, you're turning waste into a wonder, giving back to the environment in a small but significant way. Each idea we've explored here is simple, cost-effective, and specifically designed for limited spaces. They're not just about bringing greenery into your home, they're about infusing life into every nook and corner, making the most of what you have, and creating an environment that's as good for the plants as it is for you. A vertical garden isn't just an arrangement of plants, it's a statement of your love for nature. It's testament of your resourcefulness, your creativity, and your desire to bring a slice of the great outdoors into your very own indoor space. With all these ideas and tips at your disposal, there's nothing stopping you from turning your home into a vertical garden paradise. Remember, every small step you take towards greening up your living space is a step towards a healthier, happier environment. So let's roll up our sleeves, get our hands dirty, and green up our spaces together.